Hello, my name is Eliza Petkova and I'm the director of Sounds of Nature. Sounds of Nature is a film about regretting and the missed opportunity to share enough time with those we love. The film is dedicated to my mother, who passed away 11 years ago. It's a film about the connection to ourselves and others, which is reflected in the connection to nature. While the daughter, afraid to be in the forest and feels in danger there, her sick mother discovers the feeling of security in the same environment. Sounds of Nature is balancing between two contradictions. On the one side, the feeling of total lostness, and on the other, the feeling of deep connection. We shot this film analog. We decided to use 35mm leftovers of film stock. So we decided to recycle trash and to make a short film out of it. I'm very happy that Sounds of Nature is selected for Palm Springs, and I wish you a nice screening. Bye bye!